A sound processor is not just a hearing device. It's an important part of you that helps transform your communication, your relationships, your career, your ability to learn, your personal safety, and overall well-being. Which is why, just like you take care of other important things such as your teeth, your hair, your eyes, it's important to build the good habit of taking care of your sound processors too, regularly. Let me tell you how, and I will also share tips to make the habit stick. Ready? Just before hitting the bed every night, make sure to gently wipe the outside of your sound processors with a soft, dry cloth. Dust and moisture, though invisible, may otherwise continue to build up. Never use paper towels or cotton swabs, please. Moving on to the next step. If you use the Console 2 sound processors, you should place them overnight in the home charger to store, charge, and to keep them dry at the same time. And in case you use the Console sound processors, keep them in the dry and store box overnight. That way, you don't have to worry about any moisture that might get built on the inside of your sound processors. Here's a little trick to make this habit super easy to follow. If you use the Console sound processors, it's also important to know how the dry and store box works. It has a dry brick which, like a sponge, absorbs all the moisture from your sound processors. But every 2 months or so, the dry brick just cannot absorb anymore and needs to be replaced to continue to keep your sound processors moisture-free. How to never miss that? Additionally, if you use the Console sound processor, remove the batteries and wipe the contacts with a soft dry cloth once a month. So, shall we fix a day for this? Also, if you use the Cochlear software pad, make sure to replace it in case you find it to be worn or damaged. And if you use the safety line, ensure to check it for any signs of wear. Replace it immediately in case it's worn. Let's have a look at the microphone of your sound processor. The microphone protectors on your Console 2 sound processor are attached to the underside of your sound processor's cover. You should check them for signs of dirt or grime every day. The protective cover helps keep away dust and moisture. Depending on the climate and environment you live in, it can get clogged sooner or later and thereby impact the quality of sound. Hence, it's important to replace the microphone cover on your sound processors every 3 months or sooner if the microphone protectors look dirty or if you notice a reduction in sound quality. You can easily replace the microphone cover on your own. To replace the microphone cover, first remove the cover by firmly lifting it with your thumbnail in the slot provided, then sliding your nail either side to release it. When the cover is removed, the sound processor's sensitive microphones are exposed. Do not touch the microphones, as this could cause damage to your sound processors. Then, place a new cover on your sound processor, ensuring it lines up with the sound processor body properly. Ensure the tab on the underside of the microphone cover aligns with the notch in the housing. Lastly, press around the edge with your thumbs to make sure the cover is properly sealed. Let me share with you a quick checklist of some more habits to follow so that you continue to get the best hearing experience out of your sound processors. Folks, I have one last request. Please make sure the cloth, brush and other tools that you use to clean your sound processors are themselves clean and in good condition. Store and maintain them well too. Promise? I hope these small tricks will help you build the good habits of taking care of your sound processors so that it continues to support your hearing needs. Happy hearing!